Dito sa sarap ng Jensen City Hall, look at that. Yan ang Jensen City Hall. Harap nito guys ang plaza ng General Santos. Look at that. Ito yung plaza ng General Santos guys. Look at that. Meron pang ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Meron pang nangangaroling na Little Carolings. Meron pang nagmumuni-muni sa paligid. Look at that guys. Okay. Yung building na yan guys, building ng Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. Very ano sila, known sila sa mga criminology students. Maraming pulis-pulis din. Meron na mga spirit of Christmas na decoration dito sa plaza ng General Santos guys. Okay, meron pag namamasyal-masyal. Guys, thank you for watching guys.